Anna does not feel well today. She has a headache and a sore throat. She decides to visit the doctor. She calls the clinic to make an appointment. Hello, I need to see a doctor today. We have an opening at 2 o'clock. That is perfect. Thank you. Anna arrives at the clinic at 1:45. She goes to the reception desk. Good afternoon. I have an appointment at 2. What is your name, please? My name is Anna Miller. Please fill out this form and have a seat. Anna fills out the form with her information. She waits in the waiting room. After 10 minutes, a nurse calls her name. Anna Miller? Please follow me. The nurse takes her to an examination room. She measures Anna's temperature and blood pressure. Your temperature is normal. The doctor will be with you soon. The doctor enters the room. Good afternoon, Anna. How are you feeling? I have a headache and my throat hurts. Let me look at your throat. Say, your throat is red and swollen. Do you have a fever or a cough? I do not have a fever, but I cough sometimes. It looks like you have a cold. I will give you a prescription for medicine. Take this medicine 3 times a day. You should rest and drink lots of water. Thank you, doctor. You are welcome. Feel better soon. Anna goes to the pharmacy to get her medicine.
Learn with LingoStories.app.